Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. So if your device is frozen and unresponsive, you can basically force the restart on it to reboot it, and hopefully that will fix your problems. To force the restart on this device, simply press and hold the upper button for about 15 seconds, I believe, basically until the device turns off. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. When this menu appears, keep holding the button. And after a couple more seconds, the device should turn off. Basically, the screen should go black. And after the device turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the upper button. And once you see the GARMIN logo, you can release the button and wait until the device is done rebooting. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.